up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have another Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription unboxing. So for those of you that did not catch my other two videos, Kal-Elle Fandom Monthly got backed up with their boxes or bags, whatever you want to call them, because they were unable to get the inventory in due to things that were out of their control. It was just like stuck in customs or whatever was happening with their supplies for those boxes. So they did give you an option to get past boxes, or you could wait for the stuff to come in for the boxes that they were like planning on for those months. So I decided to wait, and then all of a sudden I got 3 bags in my mailbox, and I was like, wow, I was super excited because I thought maybe they got all of the stuff in for those bags. Well, the first 2 that I unboxed were repeat bags, and I have a feeling this third one is going to be a repeat bag as well. So without further ado, let's see if I got another repeat or if I got a new bag. Okay, guys, so, here's my bag. Oh, a deep breath, guys. I really don't want another repeat bag. Although last week or the whatever week I posted the Black Widow video was totally worth it. I mean, I have some really great ideas for that one, so I'm not so mad about having that one again. All right, guys, let's see. It's another repeat. Cruella De vil. This was a great bag, though. I really enjoyed this bag. I loved everything that they put in it. But do I need 2 of them? I don't know. Let's refresh my memory and see. So we have the 4x6 art print by Megan E. Risk. She always does a fabulous job. And she does have her own website. I can link that in the description box below. So here's my little bag of goodies. Let's see what we got. Yep, looks to be all the same stuff. Okay. Here is the pin. So super cool, super fun, totally on brand with Cruella De vil. So let's go ahead, and I don't remember what was in here. So let's see what this mysterious thing is. Oh, the nail polish. Okay, so I did try this nail polish out, and I thought it was okay. I wasn't over the moon about it, but it wasn't bad. It's just cool that it's the red nail polish. Let me flip it to the back here, like what she wears in the movie. So that's cool. All right, so there's that. The earrings were my favorite. So here's the little bag of jewelry here. The earrings are so fabulous. But again, I just don't know that I need 2 of them, you know? I don't know. Let me see. Show them to you guys for those of you that didn't catch me open this bag. The earrings are fabulous. I love these earrings. These are inspired by her eyes from the movie, so that is super fun. I like that idea. And then the bracelet is so pretty, guys. I really do love this little bracelet. It is so super fun with all the awesome charms on it. It is so fun, guys. The lipstick and all of that is just so super pretty. I really do love the bracelet. It is great. Okay, and then we have the necklace that has her last name on it, De vil, although it can come off as devil because she's like the devil, but is De vil is what the necklace is for, so that's fun. Okay, and there's one more thing, no, 2 more things in here. Oh yeah, so we have the magnet, which is super fun. Loving the magnet. That is super cool. Okay. And then the last thing in here is a iron-on transfer. Oh, it's a sticker. A rub-on sticker. Sorry. I'm like reading this. How boring is that for you guys? Okay, let me open this because it'll probably get a ton of glare if I don't take it out of the thing. But this is from Decal Drama. Looks like they have their own website and all of that fun stuff. It's decaldrama.com if you want to check out all the other fun stuff that she has. So it's a decal. Or she has. They have. I don't know if it's a he, she, or what. But yeah. So that is super fun. What does it say? Idiots, fools, imbeciles. Okay. Very cool. All right, guys. So again, this was another repeat bag. Hopefully the next one that I get will be the new fandom that they have planned for that month, or a fandom that they were still waiting on product for, and they were finally able to get it, because I was looking forward to any bag that they send. They knock it out of the park every single time with all of their bags. I'm not disappointed with these bags. I'm just disappointed that I've already got them before. I was just kind of hoping for something else. And as I mentioned in another video, I think it might have been better for those of us who have already received these bags to maybe get a variety bag of some sort instead of just the same stuff. I'm just saying. So just a thought, you know. Anyways, I love the Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription despite despite what's happened here. I understand why they sent these bags, but I just wish that they were able to get the products in for the bags they were planning for. But for those of you who might be interested in this subscription, it is a great subscription. I look forward to it every single month. I will have a link to their website in the description box below. That's all I got for you guys this time, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! So, if for those of you that didn't catch my other two videos, where to start? Try it again. Okay, guys, so that was loud. Try it again.